Hello you guys, and welcome back to today's video. You guys can obviously by the title of this video, we are not doing an Ipsy versus Ipsy unboxing, but we're going to be doing a new subscription service that Ipsy is coming out with. So if you guys want to see what it's all about and see if I like it or not, then just keep watching. So Ipsy is now going to be doing another Ipsy bag, but this one's going to be much larger. This one is going to be a little bit more money, but you get more product and you get full-size products. So this is what it is. Basically, you're going to get 5 full-size products. They're all going to be deluxe seasonal makeup bag every 3rd shipment. So every 3rd shipment, you would get a box. You would pay $25 a month plus tax, and then the value of the box will always be $120, which I think is pretty good. I'm interested to see what it's going to be about. So I thought that I would share it with you guys. I thought we could take a look at it and do the unboxing together. Just an FYI, they did send this to me, but you guys know I do pay for my own Ipsy bags, but I am a part of Open Studios, which is part of Ipsy. So if you guys are interested in this, they are going to be starting in October. You can get your hands on this box, and then every 3rd month thereon, you would get a new shipment. I don't think that the products in this box will be October's box. I think October's box is going to be its own box, but this here was kind of like a sneak peek into brands and things that you would be seeing inside of the box. So the very first thing we have here is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. The next thing I have in here is by Sunday Riley, and this is their C&E antioxidant moisturizer. And this is here is supposed to fight the 5 visible signs of environmental and micropollution induced skin damage. Whoa. Very cool. I'm interested to try this out because I think I'm almost running out of my moisturizer. So the next thing we have in here is by this brand. I don't know if you've heard it before, but it's called Morphe. Heard it? This here is the 15-hour Happy Hour eyeshadow palette. I actually have not bought a palette from Morphe in a really long time. And I'm interested to see what it's like because this is all their new packaging, you guys. Ooh, this is like a warm tone lover's dream right here. Wow. This is such better packaging. Ever since they like updated their brand and stuff, I want to say that their packaging has gotten much more luxurious. I love it. I mean, I do like the old version too because it's really easy to work with, but they were always so big and bulky. But this, it feels way better. I'm so excited about this. And now they have a mirror. We also do have the Buxom Lash Mascara. And then we also are going to get a blush, which I am pretty sure I know what it is. It's by Tarte. This is one of my favorite blush formulas ever. I feel like Tarte has the best blushes. They stay on. The longevity is amazing. So just like they do with your Ipsy bags, they're also going to give you a bag as well. And this here is this month's bag. Now, I don't know if they're going to, obviously they're probably not going to put the products in here because they won't fit, but this one feels way more nicer than the other ones. But this one's cute. I actually like that. Oh, it's got a little pocket in the front. Oh, that's cool. All right. That's awesome. Again, this box retails for $25. Every 3 months you would pay. So it's not every month, it's every 3 months. And you guys could see brands like this in your box, which I think is pretty freaking awesome. So this is all of the items that I got in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, again, keep in mind, I don't know if this is going to be October's bag, but this is kind of like what you would get in your bag. This is what you could see in your box, which if I knew that I would be getting these products, I would totally subscribe, and this is going to be awesome. I'm actually excited for this because I know some of you guys were a little bit unhappy with Ipsy and the direction that it was going and feeling like they weren't really paying attention to your profiles. But if you guys are looking for another subscription box to try out, maybe give them a second chance and try this one out because it's not every month, but it's every 3 months. So if you guys want to know more about it or you guys have any comments or questions, I'll do my best to get all the information I can and list it down below. Again, if I see anything or I hear anything through Ipsy, I'll definitely let you guys know on all forms of my social media so you guys can sign up there. And yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts down below. If you guys have seen this bag circulating, what you guys think about it. Are you guys going to sign up or are you going to wait it out and see, you know, what the first box looks like for the first month? So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys all in my next box. I hope to see you all in my next box. I hope to see you guys all in my next video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.